Yo, what is up people? Hope you guys are having a great day, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can fix your TikTok video draft problem. So before I show you the way, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified once our new video releases. And yeah, watch this video until the end without skipping, because if you skip then you guys might get confused on how you guys can do it. So let's start it. First thing first, let me create a draft video for myself over here. I can click on this plus icon, go where it says upload over here. Let's say I want to upload this video. I tick on it, I click on next, click on next, click on next, and I click on draft instead of post, and it has been saved to draft. So I can click on me over here, and as you guys can see, the video is in draft. Now remember, this draft video is not saved on TikTok server. The video is saved on my phone. So the video which I just tried to upload over here, if I just go back, go to my gallery over here. Now remember, if I delete this video, then my draft video is gonna have a problem, because the main file of this video is deleted. The main video which was like saved in the draft is deleted, so it's gonna say video not found or anything. So if you deleted the original video from your phone before it was uploaded while it was saved in draft, and it's gonna say like file not found or other problems. So the main reason behind this is because you deleted the file. So that's the first problem. So to solve this problem is, if the video is saved under draft, then do not delete it from your gallery or your phone storage, or change the location. Okay, because if you even change the location as well, then it's gonna say the video not found. So that's how you guys can fix this problem. And another way is, let me just click on this video over here, and I can just go back over here. Once you come over here again, like try to add a text, sticker, or effect, anything you want, and after that it usually solves the problem, because like you updated your draft. So that should fix your problem. But the main reason behind this is, like, do not delete the actual video from your phone storage. It's gonna say video not found or the file not found. So that's the main problem. The draft videos are not saved in TikTok server. The videos which are uploaded on TikTok are only saved in TikTok server. So just keep that in mind. So yeah, hope you guys found this video helpful. If you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified once a new video releases. And I'll see you guys in a bit. Until then, peace out. Have a nice day.